Identity element in binary operation. It is very important definition. Let star is a binary operation on set A. Star is binary operation on set A. For any A belongs to A, that means you take any element A in set A, there exists E in set A such that A star E equal to E star A equal to A. Then E is called identity element in set A with respect to binary operation star. I'll explain the main important points in this. For any A in set A, there exists an element E in set A such that A star E equals to E star A equals to A. Then E is called identity element in set A with respect to binary operation star. I'll try to explain this definition with an example. What is identity element in Z? With respect to binary operation addition. Here star is addition. What is the question? What is identity element in Z with respect to binary operation addition? Okay, for any A belongs to Z, I'll take A as any integer. Then there exists E. We need to find that E. There exists E. E is what? It is an integer such that A star E. What is star here? Star binary operation is what? Plus A star E that we need to find equals to E that we need to find. E star. Star is what? Addition. E star A equals to A. Now you just think that A plus some integer equals to A. A plus what integer is equals to A? A plus what number equals to A? It is clear. A plus 0 equals to A. Similarly, 0 plus A equals to A. So, 0 is an integer satisfying the condition that A star 0 is equals to 0 star A equals to A. So, it is satisfying that identity property. So, 0 is called identity element in Z with respect to binary operation addition. Important note: identity element in set is unique. See, in example 1, 0 is the identity element. 0 is the only element which is satisfying the condition A plus 0 is equals to 0 plus A equals to A. Therefore, identity element is unique. I'll try to explain this definition with one more example. What is identity element in natural numbers with respect to binary operation addition? Take A. What is A? A is any natural number. For any A belongs to N, there exists some number that we need to find in N. There exists some number in N such that A star E, that means A plus some number equals to some number plus A equals to A. You observe here, A plus 0 is what? A. 0 plus A is what? A. So 0 is the number, A plus 0 equals to 0 plus A equals to A. Now we will check that 0 is natural number or not. Is 0 is a natural number? 0 is not a natural number even though 0 is satisfying the condition. So there is no identity element in N with respect to binary operation addition. Example number 3. What is identity element in natural numbers with respect to binary operation multiplication? Binary operation is multiplication here. So I'll take A. What is A? A is any natural number. For any A belongs to N, there exists a natural number. That number you have to find. There exists a natural number which is in N such that A star E A star. What is star here? Multiplication. A star E. That number you have to find. A star E equals to E star A. Star is what? Multiplication. E star A equals to A. Now you think A into what natural number is equals to A? It is clear. A into 1 equals to A. Similarly, 1 into A equals to A. Is 1 is a natural number? Yes, 1 is a natural number. 1 is a natural number and it is satisfying identity property. So, 1 is called identity element in n with respect to binary operation. What? With respect to binary operation? Multiplication. Find the identity element in Z when A star B is defined as A plus B plus 1. So we need to find identity element. Given, what they given? A star B is given as A plus B plus 1. Observe this, A plus B plus 1. First element plus second element plus 1. We know that A star E is equals to E star A equals to A for any A belongs to Z. This is the identity property. First I will calculate A star E. What is A star E? A plus E plus 1. Now I will calculate E star A. What is E star A? E plus A plus 1. Observe that A star E is same as E star A. Observe. Yes, A star E is same as E star A. Once if we confirm that A star E is same as E star A, then only we will proceed to the second step. So first you check A star E is same as E star A or not. Now I will take A star E equal to A. You can take E star A equals to A also. Any one you take. What is A star E? A plus E plus 1 is equals to A. You observe here A will get cancelled. You will get E plus 1 is equals to 0. What is E from this? E is equals to minus 1. You observe here E means identity element. We got that E is minus 1. Identity element is minus 1. Is minus 1 is an integer? Yes, of course. Now what we got? For any A in Z, you take any A in Z, there exists minus 1 in Z such that A star minus 1. A star minus 1, you check it, calculate A star minus 1, you will get A only. A star minus 1 equals to minus 1 star A equals to, both will gives you A only. It indicates that minus 1 is an integer, it is satisfying identity law. So minus 1 is identity element in Z when A star B is equals to A plus B plus 1. Two things you have to keep in your mind. First, check that A star E is same as E star A or not. Once it is true, move to the second point. What is the second point? You take either A star E equals to A or E star A equals to A and then proceed. Find the identity element in set of rational numbers when A star B is defined as A B divided by 4. Solution for this problem. What is the given information? Given that A star B equal to AB divided by 4. You observe here A star B. A is first element, B is second element. A star B is AB by 4. Now I'll calculate A star E. What is A star E? It is easy to say. What is A star E? A into E divided by 4. Now you calculate E star A. Tell what is E star A? Yes? Yes. EA divided by 4. Observe that A star E is same as E star A. A star E is same as E star A. Just think. Yes. AE is same as EA. So we can easily say that A star E is equals to E star A. See, whenever you are finding identity element, First you confirm that A star E is same as E star A. Once you confirm that A star E is same as E star A, you take either A star E equals to A or E star A equals to A. I taken A star E equals to A. What is A star E? Is AE by 4. AE divided by 4 equal to A. If you observe here, AA will get cancelled and you will get E is equals to 4. Identity element we got it as 4. Is 4 is a rational number? Check it. Yes, 4 is a rational number. So what you got, if you take any, for any A in Q, for any A belongs to Q, there exists 4. What is 4? 4 is a rational number. For any A belongs to Q, there exists 4 belongs to Q such that A star 4, you can check, calculate A star 4, you will get A only. A star 4 equals to 4 star A equal to A. Therefore, what you can conclude here, 4 is the element which is a rational number and satisfying identity law. Therefore, 4 is the identity element in Q when A star B equals to AB divided by 4.